Good morning everyone and welcome to you in this daily update on Bitcoin and the answer as always. Hope you're all doing very well today. You had a nice Wednesday and Thursday, by the way. We're going to update Bitcoin first. I'm really going to focus on Bitcoin today, I think, because we didn't move it a lot on anything at the moment. Even on Bitcoin the plan remains the same, just gonna more focus on the lower time frame. So I'm not sure this will be a very long update, to be fair. On every single hour we didn't got any interesting move, to be fair, at the moment. So let's update Bitcoin. The microphone normally is working well, so we can go and update this chart here. So let's go on a daily time frame as always. First of all, I'm just gonna add here the mod walk. Maybe this should be better. There you go. So I don't get notifications. Daily, there is no other daily level. Right. Is microphone working well? Yes. Okay, so let's go on the exo chart. Stays there. One at the top, one below. 97,430. 97,430. All right. Yeah, I don't really care about that level, to be honest. This one there is no, and this one here 98,162.5. Okay. Okay, so plan is going to be very simple. It's what I said basically in this call yesterday. Okay, if you want to get the updated things every time, just go and join this call. All this is free. Yeah, so as I say, I'm still waiting for, so this was on Wednesday, the update. Nothing happened on Wednesday. I just totally range bound, but as I said yesterday, it's normal that we are doing some slow move at the moment. It's always going slow for a bit after such volatility. We've got, with a big drop, the big pump here. So after this, it's all normal to be range bound for a few days, and then get again some volatility. It's just normal, right? But yeah, like I said, I'm just waiting for the long target to be tapped. And well, this was the local yesterday's resistance where we've got the rejection from. It's a bit of a front run. And so right now we tapped the long target we have placed, by the way, on the chart to the dollar, but you can see 95,622, 95,622 here, but I'm not long, of course. This is not the target I'm looking for. This is like a zone. Okay, I'm waiting for the 66% and this value area low, and why not this swing through the pan here? Yeah, so that will be the best. Okay, that will be the best to go down here and get the long entry. If we stay before that and well, pump before that from its missed, I'm just gonna remain and sit in this long trade from before we have planned there. Okay, so very simple plan. If we pump, it's missed, and I'm happy to miss. I'm gonna remain in my long. Otherwise, I'm waiting for a new low here. I have no limits down there. I'm simply going to wait for the reaction. This is not a long I like personally. This is a target I'm aware of, but not a long I like. Now again, it's not because I don't like it. I don't have to look for a long. But yeah, this is not a very strong target. So no limit. Just gonna wait for the reactions. We have to go in there, and I'm just gonna check at the order flow line in a time, see what's going on there, if there is any reason to take the long trade. If not, I'm just gonna wait for a new low, and so we can simply look, for the big wave for target. So between 85,600, 700 down to 80,900. Okay. Yeah, so it all depends of if we go more down, what's happening there, and if now we pump. As I said, I missed the long trade. I'm just gonna remain in my long from before, and this is absolutely fine for me. So very simple thing here for the resistance and where we can start looking for the highs. Okay, to be hit. We just have to look for this value or high path control to be reclaimed. If we start going in there, flipping this into support, maintain this as support with some strength here while moving up, we can look for at least this top to be hit, to be taken really with a swing through pan. There it will be again very, very, very decisive. This is a very key target. If we get a swing through pan or a failed auction, then we can look for a full reversal. If we, first of all, we have to, of course, plant some support down there, not look directly for the lows here to be taken and boom, full reversal, but this is something we can look for, to be fair. Okay, but I'm gonna be aware of some support before that. If now we get absolutely no reason to short up here on the order flow, the data are still bullish. Okay, same as for the reclaim here, it was a strong move up. We've got a reclaim flip to support, I mean longs but not absorbed. There is no reason to look for a short trend, so in that case we can look more likely for a new all-time high on Bitcoin. Very simple thing. Okay. So yeah, we do have this possible, so this long trade below here, more I'd prefer, and we have this nice short trade around there. If we do reclaim this and flip that into support, then we're more likely going to go towards 1,2,700. 1,2,700. Okay, very simple plan. Go back below here, hit a long target, see what's happening there live in the time. If nothing good for a long, look for a new low and the wave. Big wave for target. Otherwise, if we missed the long because we just pumped directly, we have this first resistance. If we manage to reclaim this, we can look for the highs here. And if this high, this is not bearish, well, if this is bearish, that's a short trade. Otherwise, we can look for a new all-time high more likely. Again, we have some few resistance above here, but it's very unlikely to reject from here. We can do this, for example, reclaim the highs. Okay, we have, for example, this kind of downtrend. Well, yeah, now this will not be in there. So if we reclaim, we can go in there and just drop. For me, that will be classed as a failed auction of this top, to be fair. Okay, but yeah, so we'll see that even at the time what's going on. With the wave, nothing new to add on this, to be honest with you. Still looking for the ABC zigzag here, more likely for a longer wave forward. Again, it all depends what's happening at the long target. It all depends on this. So yeah, that's it really. Just want to update this lower time frame plan on Bitcoin. Yep, that's it. Do we have any news today? Oops. There you go. Yes. All right, so let me just add. $2:30, so we can look for 2:25, and the next one is 4 p.m. 3:55. All these time really are ETC +1, so just be aware of that. Yeah, so I think we're done really. 10 minutes update. That's the only thing I'm looking at right now on Bitcoin. Remaining patient, waiting for either lower, either for higher here. I'm already in a short from above, so I'm not looking for a short. I'm looking for a long here because I'm gonna get stopped out this long. And once we hit it targets, really, I'm gonna look for a short for a trade. Unless this happens, remaining patient and well, just waiting for a move to come. We can go in there, as I said, and look for a short trade in here within this range. But even for that, to be fair, I'm not really interested. So yeah, very simple thing. So hope you all enjoyed. I don't see any questions or requests or anything coming in the chat here, so I think we're done for today. So don't forget to join this Discord server again if you want to stay updated. This is where I'm posting about Bitcoin with well all the other assets really, if there is anything to update. Yeah, don't forget the news today. Have a nice weekend ahead. Take care and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.